Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going on with the spaceship Millennium Falcon. Yes, the Millennium Falcon. Love this build. It's getting pretty massive, as you can see on this side camera right there. And I'm really happy with this, and it's really going nicely. We're putting some electrics in this time and seeing if that bridge comes down. That what's it called? We'll see about that. So let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. So let's start with the magazine. 57 is here. Millennium Falcon, build and explore the Millennium Falcon. Here we go. A little bit about Star Wars and the ships and the history of all the different things. The extinguisher that R2-D2 has, and this is what we're having. And the circuit board numbers J1, J2. J1 has the external power and all the other things here. The ramp, that's the word I was looking for. The ramp lights, starboard, forward lights, and so on going on. Have a look at that. So we're going to put it on, and that's on the lower section, not on the upper section. You can see there as well. And we're putting some stuff on here, which is really nice. And we are going to see with that battery box if that ramp works and if everything works. So let's start with that circuit board that needs to be put on. We'll be working here with that circuit board, and we'll be putting that on right there. Here we go. I've just put that little thingy on, and I will have to have a look at how that is supposed to be going on. We'll do that a little bit later on, but let's get this circuit board out, which looks like that. And it looks slightly different to what I have in my hands compared to the picture. But we're going to put it on like so and screw those little screws that I have here. Are we using the silver ones? I think we are. So let's put those on. Small silver flange screws. I don't know if these are the right, but these are the ones that we got in this stage. No, we did not. Because it looks like we're putting the copper colored ones in. But which ones? Let's try this one and see if that one works. This one looks even better. Let's see if that works on this side. Alright, that's the first thing. And we're going to that little point there because we want this one. This is the top for, let's do it the other way. So we need to put this on so we can close it. That's a lid for the thing that is going on. And we're putting a little, are we putting a screw? Yeah, the silver one that I was just putting on earlier. We're putting that on top of it, right where you see me put it on. That is just to keep it in there. Then we get that one out and we put that on, and we're putting it on like so. We need to put it on like so, otherwise that cannot be connected. Too long self-tapping. This is long. The other one was short. Okay, we're gonna start it and not fully connect it, screw it in yet, but we are going to do it now. And this is not the correct one. This is not a self-tapping one. I think I need that one. Let's see if this one goes in. That's the one. All right, now we're getting to the nice stuff. I've got a battery pack here, so we need to connect the battery pack to that one, still off. Then we need to connect this one. Then we need to unscrew that one for the ramp. That should be there, and this one should be there. And I see the problem. Let me show it to you. It doesn't go all the way. It should go all the way, but well, I'm happy with that. All right, let's turn that thing off. That is the first stage done. This is what we need for the next stage, 58, but let me show you the magazine first. All right, 58, as you can see right there. We're looking through that magazine just to show you how nice these are, just like the R2D2 build. This is what we have in this stage, and a sprue to put stuff on, and some screws which I put out already, and we're going to put some stuff on these. So I think I need different sprues, but let's see which ones we start with. And we need to get some glue out. I only have one sprue. What's going on? All right, let's go. So we're going to get this one off and get a toothpick out, or should I say a glue stick out. So we're keeping that on for a second. Then we're going to get that one out, which will be going over here, over that little bridge there, like so. Let's see if I can put it on by just gluing the posts. That is on as well. Then we're going to get that one out to put in there. And that one we're putting right there. And then that one's on there as well, right there. And the last one we have, and then that we have to have that sprue that I can't find. And this one goes in here and then that way. So that is what we should have. And then we should be going on with stuff that should be in here, but I don't have it. I don't have that sprue, and I don't know why. How did that get in there? All right, you wouldn't believe me anyway. I found the sprue. It was in somewhere else. So this is the sprue I needed. So we're going on with that 58 one, is it? I think it is 50. Yeah, that one I've done. We're taking that one. Where are we putting that? I think we're putting it right there. Looks like it. Okay, let's put that to the side. And that is what we just put on. That's more or less how it should go. You see that in the frontal camera. Then we're going to get that one out and we're going to put it right there. Now are we putting it on? Yep, I'm having it the right way with that triangle, and you'll see that in a moment. Right there, there's a triangle visible. If you, maybe you can see it much better. There's a triangle here right there, and that should be the way it is right now. Okay, the last one we put in is that one, and then 58 is really done, and I have all the sprues, and this one goes right there. So we're gonna put some glue on the posts and push that on, and then that's what we've done. Well guys, that is the build done. You see the parts, you don't see the parts. You see some of them right there, and the other parts are in the background there. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and I hope to see you next time on any of my builds. May it be the one that is right there, or any ones in the background right there. But I hope you will join me that time, and hope you see you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.